Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Trey, and this is our Louisiana life. Well, today is going to be the first attempt at a hunting video. I'm running a little bit late. First time, of course, couldn't find all my junk that I was looking for. But anyway, guys, I'm hoping to try out. I swapped to a new broadhead this year. The G5 Mega Meat. So I'm hoping we get to try that out today. I am not planning on shooting a doe. The only reason being is I have a 7-point that's showing up, and he's right at dark, but he's been that same deer for, I know I got pictures of him, probably 2 or 3 years, the same rack. The rack just keeps getting bigger, and he's got a crab out on the left side. So anyway, that's what we're going to aim for today. Anything else that we get is just a bonus. And like I said, if it gets too late and I don't see him coming or don't think he's on the way, we may pull the trigger on a doe if we got it in front of her. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna try to get y'all some good footage. I have on my bow, I have a GoPro set up on the bow, and I'm gonna get one in the tree, and hopefully I can get y'all some good footage out of this. This is my first attempt out of this, so y'all don't massacre me in the comments with it. But anyway, guys, I'll see y'all when we get up in the stand. Guys, just give y'all a look at where we're at, what we're looking at. I got this stand. This stand's about 32 foot in the air. So this is the look in the woods. This is the right of way. So anyway, well, let me get everything set up. See if we can see something. he just shot a doe. So he hadn't got down yet. He said he hit it a little bit high. I told him to give it just a minute. Don't just get down and get to looking. So, but he's hunting with a buddy of mine. But anyway, I'll show y'all that if we do. I hear deer all out here around me. Alright guys, well, we didn't get nothing. I only seen 3 little old bucks. And 1 coon. I heard there was other deer out there that never appeared, but that's what happens when you're hunting over some bait. Them deer aren't stupid. They get out there and they kind of stage up in them woods and they wait for you to leave and then they come in. So brother, let me see if I can get a hold to him and see if they found his deer. He said he hit his, he thought, a little bit high.
The wireless customer.
They're in there. They don't have very much service. But anyway, I won't wrap this thing up until after I see whether he kills a deer or not. But like I said, in the deal of this, I may I'm gonna post this video. But anyway, we won't wrap it up, this video up, until I see whether they found his or whatever. He said he made a good shot, just a little bit high. So we'll see. I'll update y'all here just shortly. All right. Well, there's brother's doe kill. So we fixing to get it cleaned. All right, go ahead. So, anyway, all right. Well, that's gonna wrap that up. So at least somebody got something today. But anyway, guys, we're gonna get this thing knocked out, get it put in the ice chest. But if you hadn't already, y'all hit the subscribe button, give us some likes, some comments, and maybe next time we'll get a shot in the daylight. See y'all.